So we're going to be going down this street right here. It's called Palha Street or Straw Street. So we're going to try to navigate these crowds. Before we go down, this is Sao Paulo Street, St. Paul's. Pretty crazy. Pretty cool. So okay, so we're going to be going down Palha Street. So let's turn around this way, and we're going to be going down that street. Very, very crowded today. Very cool. Okay, so stay tuned for Palha Street. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. They're giving away some free samples. Okay. Thank you. Pretty good. Okay. So we're gonna head down Palha Street in a moment. That's St. Paul Street, Sao Paulo. And we're gonna attempt to turn around. Go down this way. There you go. Okay, so that's Palha Street down this way. It's really crowded. Before we go down, it's going to highlight a few things before we go down. If you don't want to walk up that crowded street right there, the St. Paul Street, you can go down around this way. So there's a way to go down and up. So that's Seligen Street. And then there's another street right around on the other side of this, around this temple, on the other side. It's called Algi Babish. There it is right there. So that's another one, but we're going to be going down Palha Street. These are kind of cool streets to go down as well. I'm not going to go down it right now, but they have that temple right there as well. So anyways, our target's going to be Palha Street. Okay, so let's go on in. We're going to try to go on the other side. So very, very crowded today. So this is Palha Street. Now we kind of have some nice shade. And I'm going to attempt to go to the left if I can. Okay. So we're going to come up. We're still on Palha, but the beauty of this area is there's a bunch of these little side streets everywhere. And they kind of go up and around. There's a nice temple that goes up here, really nice one. That also goes up to on the backside of Sao Paulo ruins, Villa do Monte. So there's a fortress. Monte Fortress is all the way up that way as well. So, but we're gonna stay to our target street, which is Palha Street. Just gonna step away from the crowds just briefly. Then we're gonna go back in. Yeah, really crowded today. Have you ever got some stuff like lush? It's almost like being in a shopping mall. You can smell the like a shopping mall kind of feel. So they did bring in some kind of big money because this is a high traffic area. Probably get more people here than in a shopping mall. Okay. You got these little backhoes right here. It's this little backhoe. They got you got dumplings back in here, and they got pork chop buns. There it is, right there. They have a sign for it. Okay, let's go down a little bit further. I might go back to that a little bit. I'm not sure. So, okay. Okay, so let's head this way. And actually, that's our target street right there, Palha. Okay. So it's I translated it before. It's Straw Street. I think it's Straw Street in both Chinese and Portuguese. No, Chinese it was like Portuguese to English was Straw Street. Like then the other Chinese was something like to feed, like food to feed animals or something like that. Something that was like that wouldn't have the same word of straw. But that's our kind of busy little street right there, Straw Street, Palha Street, and that goes down to São Domingos as well. So that's really busy today. Today it's really busy. We just kind of give you a little bit of a idea of what the other stuff is around here. So this one is São Domingos. It goes down to the Portuguese bookstore, which is the this blue and yellow and white building straight ahead. So that's down that way, and then Say is right there. That goes up to Say Cathedral, where that yellow is at. Let's walk over that way briefly. So yeah, that's Say Cathedral up that way. And then down this way goes down to São Domingos. But our target street is this one right here, Straw Street. I just saw people are very camera friendly. It's nice. Okay, so that's Palha Street right there. So we're gonna end it right there. Let's get out of the sun a little bit. There we go. Palha Street. That kind of cool looking building as well. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.